Welcome to ZeroDown Software's video series. In this video, we will show you how to protect your WordPress site using Safehouse for WordPress, powered by ZeroDown Software. WordPress is the global leader in web content management, powering nearly 810 million websites, or about 43% of all websites worldwide, with a commanding 60% market share in CMS platforms, 10 times that of its nearest competitor. WordPress drives an estimated $635 billion of economic activity globally as of 2021. In short, WordPress runs the web. ZeroDown Software keeps it running. In this demonstration, we've deployed ZeroDown Software between two environments: the primary production site hosted in the company's facility and the WordPress Safehouse deployed in a secondary secure location. This architecture ensures continuous availability, even when disruptions occur. We begin by logging into the ZeroDown Software Management Console. To protect the WordPress site, we simply enter the addresses of the two WordPress environments. WordPress 1.site is the production site and WordPress 2.site is the Safehouse site. Once entered, ZeroDown Software connects and synchronizes with both servers. From this point forward, all traffic flows securely through ZeroDown, ensuring seamless access and automatic failover. Now let's simulate a disruption caused by a cybersecurity event, maintenance task, or infrastructure issue. By shutting down the production site connection, we trigger an outage. As expected, Node 1 enters a down state, breaking access to the primary site. The company's website, hosted on the production server, is now offline. ZeroDown's management console displays, "Service Gateway is not available." This gateway is responsible for routing traffic to WordPress servers, and it's now redirecting recovery operations. ZeroDown Software will quickly detect the outage and begin automatic service resumption. Within 60 seconds, our target recovery time objective (RTO), ZeroDown restores website access by redirecting users to the Safehouse. Throughout the process, your customers, partners, and employees conduct business as usual without realizing any disruption ever happened. No lost transactions, productivity, or time. Business as usual. Once access is restored, we can see the company's website is now being served from the WordPress Safehouse. Business continuity, maintained automatically. This demonstration showcases ZeroDown Software's ability to deliver business continuity across hybrid and multi-cloud environments without manual intervention. With ZeroDown Software, your WordPress site becomes resilient by design. No downtime, no lost customers, no stress. Congratulations, you've just mastered WordPress continuity with ZeroDown Software. Always available, always on. It's in the name, ZeroDownSoftware.com.